this video I will show you two different ways to turn your square picture into a circle picture. The first way is to click on the picture you want to make a circle picture of. You then click on Format under Picture Tools on the ribbon, and once you're there you can select any kind of picture style you want, including circles. The second way gives you, in my opinion, much more creative freedom. Now, you go to the Insert tab and select a circle in the Shapes tab. You make the circle the size you want to make it. Once you've figured out the size of your circle, you click on the circle and go to Format under Drawing Tools in the ribbon. You then go to Shape Fill and here you choose the option Picture. You then look for the picture you want to turn into a circle picture. And there you have it. I hope this video helped and I will see you next time.